This late spring and early summer weather has been all over the place here in New England. Hot days, cold days, cool nights, and lots of rain. It's been the perfect recipe for lawn disease to start because your lawn is consistently trying to acclimate to all these changes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with it and prevent lawn disease from taking over your yard. I have definitely had my fair share of lawn disease since establishing this Kentucky bluegrass only a few years ago. Brown patch, dollar spot, even a good stretch of lawn rust. All of these diseases are the result of something going on with your soil or irregular weather, and your lawn is just trying to adjust. Normally at this time I'm applying disease control as a preventative measure, but I already have signs of dollar spot all over the place, so I'll be applying this as a treatment as well. There's nothing more frustrating than seeing lawn disease ruin all your hard work. Most people don't apply anything to their lawn for disease as a preventative measure. Usually it's only when they notice a problem and they need to cure an issue. A bag of Disease X is not too expensive and should become part of your routine applications. I like to go for something that has stronger ingredients. I also like to spray my disease control, which is why I'll be using propiconazole. This bottle is a little bit pricey up front, but I can get up to 3 applications for about $60. So compared to a granular application, it's actually cheaper. I also feel like liquid application gets a more consistent coverage and gets applied directly to the plant foliage. Another great advantage of liquid application is you can apply additional soil amendments at the same time. I'm going to be taking advantage of this application and adding in some RGS and humic to the tank so that I get multiple things done with one sprayer application. You'll just want to make sure that everything you mix in the tank is actually compatible. An important thing to monitor in order to help avoid lawn disease is frequency of watering and time of day when watering. It's typically better to water longer, less frequently, as it gets water deeper into your soil and promotes root growth, but also allows for your grass to not be wet all the time. If you water for short periods every other day, your grass is always wet. You should also not water in the evening because the grass will stay damp all night and that can promote disease. Watering early in the morning is best because it leaves the rest of the day for your grass blades to dry off. There are other reasons for watering in the morning, but I'll go over that in another video. Another good tip to help avoid lawn disease is to make sure your mower blades are sharp, because a clean-cut blade of grass is less susceptible to getting disease, whereas a dull mower blade tears the grass, making it more prone to let disease develop. I'm guessing it's going to take about a week for this treatment to take effect and for the bad spots to grow out. So if you're lucky enough with this crazy weather and still have no signs of lawn disease, don't hesitate to get some preventative measures in place. If you're like me and you already have issues, get it fixed before that summer stretch starts. Feel free to check out this video on boosting your lawn in preparation for summer, and keep an eye out for my new video on watering tips in the summer. And if you haven't already, click that like and subscribe button. It'll help YouTube promote videos to more viewers like yourself. Thanks for watching.